And here you go, that's the line right there, and reverses. So I got an 05 04 to 08. I'm gonna be installing the backup cameras. I'm gonna show you right here. Actually, I'm gonna start doing a video about doing an Android and a backup camera. First of all, I'm gonna show you where I ran the jack. So I ran the RCA over here, and down here you got the red and the yellow. I always right back here. So the yellow is gonna be for the camera, and then red and black. The red will go to the radio, and then the black will go to the ground. As you can see right here, I made a ground right there. So then I ran all the way there, zip tie, and I ran through this hole right here. This hole right there. I poked a hole and ran the wire straight over there. And then also I ran the pink and black and pink. This is for reverse. You should test this. I don't know if there's any other black and pink down there. If you have a test light, you basically put on reverse and go like this, and then there should be 12 volt or the light should lit up. I would recommend buy you a test light. It's about $5–10. I'll link this to you. This is Justin DC 372 volt. It's a digital. I don't think you need to buy this, but if you do want to buy one of these, it's battery operated, so it show you that. And then I ran the Bluetooth right there, which is the mic down here, and go straight over there. I'm gonna put this back together right here. I will also share a link on the top, on the left, middle left of the screen, the video screen right here. So you're gonna be able to see it right on this side right there where my fingers at. There's gonna be a screen that show you that. So I ran the red wire from the black pink. I'm gonna tap it to this red wire. This is for the reverse camera. So you can see right there, and I also is gonna tap this reverse camera. This is brown wire right there. Actually, I'm gonna explain how I use this. This has got a sticker already, so I can put it like this. So I plug in the jacks right here. This is the jack, one of the jacks that's got, make sure you plug it no matter if you hooking up a Bluetooth or not. You don't hook this up. This is antenna for the Bluetooth. It will not recognize the Bluetooth. So as you can see right there, I'm gonna plug in here. I don't know why I forgot about the reverse wire that should be tapped with this, but I can still strip this and tap this brown wire. It will say oops, reverse camera. I'm gonna tape it. So as you can see, I got that plugged up. I got the green plugged up. I got the CAN bus plugged up right here. Key 1, key 2. It does not have steering wheel control. I'm not gonna touch it. And then I ran the 6-pin and 4-pin USB right here. I'm gonna plug 4-pin right there. This is where if you want, if this doesn't have a wireless, all of my stereo that I ordered got a wireless CarPlay, Apple Play, Android Play. So it's all, you don't have to plug that in. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. So I'm gonna plug it right here. The 4 and the 6-pin. The 6-pin does more. The 4-pin just charge your phone. So I'll make sure it's always clip in. And then I got the jack right here. I'm gonna hook up the Bluetooth that I ran, the mic right there, to over here. The reason I put right here, because you literally right here you can talk and you can hear instead of people put over here. So this is old, guys. It's fragile. And you got a GPS right there. This is will track where you at, how fast you drive, and all that good stuff. Plug that in, screw that in. Tight, righty tighty, so go right. And then this is pretty easy as far as hooking up the stereo. So now you got the antenna. Just plug it to here, right there, and then plug the power, and you should be all set. I'm gonna kind of show you how to basic pry this thing out. So basically you take a prier like a plastic pry that came with it, and you can pry it out right here from here and here. But be careful, this someone pried this already because they installed the old radio. And I would remove this first so you can stick it on here, so that way you don't have problems try to push it and force it and break it. This piece broke and I had to kind of fix it, repair it a little bit. To do that, all you want need is a plier. Pull it straight out and put it this on the outside. So you see that if you put it this way, it won't go in anyway. So you got only one way. And make sure you plug this wire back right here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna pick the radio up and put it like this. Like that. It's gonna go in like there. Make sure it's not dropped. You put the screw back. I only see 2 screws, so I'm gonna put it one right here and one up there. It should be fine. And do be careful if you're using a drill. Make sure you not go over tighten it because you will break it. Like I said, this is old. Being working on something this old, you have to be careful. Oh, there is 4 screws, so I didn't see that. Whoop. So I just testing it. I basically put on reverse, not starting the car, just put on reverse. It's working fine. You can change a line right there through the setting, and I'm just put everything back. I'm done. And to set a line for the backup camera, this is where you go, and this is for members only. So this is for the 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150. So you want to have a line, you want to click this button right there. You go to factory setting, you press 8888, okay, and then there's a camera protocol right there. So reverse image setting, reverse radar setting, reverse radar, click on that. Let's see if it's got a lines or not. See, that's a radar. So the line, we had to look for the line, directional. I think this is it. Let's open it up, see what it does. Nope, not that one. Reverse track, back track open. You see what that is. I did change a couple things. There you go. That's what you want, is the back track setting. So you go to reverse right there, you put backtrack open, or backtrack clear, you want to go to backtrack open. And here you go, that's the line right there, and reverse is over there.